Hello guys, the topic of today's video is all about how you can easily enable chat heads within the Messenger application. So first and foremost, you'll need to ensure that your Messenger app is updated to its very latest version. To show you, I've gone directly into the Google Play Store, and as you can see, my Messenger is already completely up to date. Now I will proceed to open Messenger directly. First, after you have successfully entered the Messenger application, you will then need to locate and click on the three-dot button that is visible on your screen. Immediately after you have clicked on that specific three-dot button, your next step will be to proceed and click on the settings option. Once you've clicked the settings option, you will clearly see the chat head feature listed there, and you should simply go ahead and turn that chat head option on. Enable the chat head. You need to find the Messenger option right here, and then please proceed to turn it on. I have already gone ahead and turned it on for you. Now please go back again. After you go back, the chat head will be turned on. Now whoever sends you a message on Messenger, the notification will show up right in front of you. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also ring the bell icon. Stay with us to receive more interesting videos.